Jonah. Lily, don't throw anything in there.
I don't like it.
I know, but the more trash you throw in there, the more it's going to build up on that fence. Is Jeremy out there?
He said he's in the middle of watching his program. That he's been waiting. Yay, Michaela! Go, Michaela! Oh, she cracked her phone.
Huh?
She cracked it.
Oh.
There's something. Help. A Scarlet Ranch.
He's got the dog up there with him. What a dork.
Jeremy needs to get out here and do this.
Jeremy ain't stupid.
Michaela has a beer in her. It's fine. Wait, Carly. Like my baby's here? Yeah. Yeah, which one's fun? I like the top better. I like the bottom. Yeah, I like the top.
Y'all need to get closer together.
I got you, Michaela.
You are going to fall over.
I want to laugh. This is hard. This is summer. You enjoying yourself?
It's the lazy river, the lazy compound river.
We should make people pay if they want to do this.
We need to go upload these videos to the news channel.
Can I go get the boogie board from back there? Come on, let's go get it.
Stop yourself, Michaela, now! You better go blow it back up.
That is too funny. Woo!